Remember the story them from long ago. Way back when. We make you laugh like when rain a fall and breeze a blow. Way back when. If you want to read king, there's a child there in your soul. Way back when. Tell everybody you know if you come and join the show. Way back when. Way back when. Way back when. Brother Anansi the Spider walk through the village. When him smell the sweetest scent in the air, him look up and him see a big juicy mango on Maas Toad tree. The mango them big like him head, ripe and ready for eat. And Nancy rub him belly and say,
"Me I forget one of them mango there."
But Maas Toad no easy. Him guard the tree like a soldier. Anybody try pick mango, Maas Toad catch them quick. So Anansi sit down under one aki tree and start to plan. Him call him friend Tacoma the dog and say,
"Me have an idea, but me gonna need your help."
Tacoma just scratch him head and say, "What we hope to know, brother Anansi?" And Nancy just grin him teeth.
"You see how Maas Toad love him drumming? If you beat the drum and make him dance, him a go forget about the mango tree. Meanwhile, me, I go up there and pick the sweetest mango them."
Tacoma laugh and say, "You're full of trick, brother Nancy, but me like it." So the next morning, Tacoma go near Maas Toad yard with a big drum and start beat the drum. Boom, boom, bam. Boom, boom, bam. Boom, boom, bam. Maas Toad start tap him foot. Then him start to rock him head. And before you know it, him jump and start to dance like him there one big festival. Meanwhile, Anansi climb up the mango tree and start pick the biggest, sweetest mango them. Him drop some in him bag and even hide one in him hat. But as him about to climb down, boom, boom, bam, the drum bust plop. Tacoma lick it too hard. Maas Toad stop dance and spin round. Him see Anansi up in the tree and ball out, "Brother Nancy, you thief me mango them. You a thief me mango them." Brother Nancy say,
"Me? No, Maas Toad. Me just a test to see if the mango them ripe for you."
Maas Toad no buy the excuse. Him bounce towards the tree. But Anansi move quick. Him fling the mango them down to Tacoma and jump from the tree. But as him a run away, one of the mango them drop from out him hat and Maas Toad catch it. Maas Toad look pon brother Nancy and say, "You trick me, but me still get one of the mango them. So next time, Anansi, me a watch you close." And Nancy grin and say,
"Maas Toad, me will always find a way."
And from that day, anytime people see a mango drop from a tree, them say, "I must brother Nancy. I him up there, I do him trick them again from way back when." Way back when.